Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of one of the most versatile and delicious fruits, the tomato. Tomatoes are not just tasty, they are a nutrient powerhouse packed with vitamins like A, C, and K, along with essential minerals. Tomatoes contribute to a healthy and balanced diet. One of the standout benefits of tomatoes is their positive impact on heart health. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting overall cardiovascular health. If you dream of radiant and healthy skin, tomatoes can be your secret weapon. The antioxidants and vitamins in tomatoes contribute to skin health, helping to combat signs of aging and promoting a natural glow. Are you looking to shed some extra pounds? Tomatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. The fiber content helps you stay fuller for longer, aiding in appetite control. Including tomatoes in your diet can contribute to eye health. Besides their health benefits, tomatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From salads to sauces and soups, the possibilities are endless. Including tomatoes in your meals can not only enhance flavor, but also boost nutritional value. Here's a quick note of caution. Some people prefer to avoid eating tomato seeds, as they can be a source of lectins. Lectins are naturally occurring proteins that may cause discomfort for some individuals. If you're concerned about this, consider removing the seeds before consuming tomatoes. If you love cooking with tomatoes, here's a handy tip to make them cook easily and become wonderfully mushy. When preparing dishes that involve cooking tomatoes, such as sauces or stews, add salt after you've added the tomatoes. This not only enhances the flavor, but also helps the tomatoes break down faster during the cooking process, giving you that delicious, saucy consistency.